From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Luke Snyder here for your Thursday afternoon forecast. Taking a look at some of our cameras around the state, you can see we have pretty overcast and gloomy conditions for much of Pennsylvania, and that's been the trend over the past few days as well, and it's expected to continue across these next few days as well. Looking at current temperatures in Dew Point State College, sitting at 52 degrees with a dew point of 45 degrees as well. So not too muggy outside right now. The dew point's a little bit lower than we typically have been seeing recently. And to take a wider look, you can see a bit more of a cold air mass towards the central portion of Pennsylvania. So on the eastern and western sides of the state, we are experiencing a little bit higher temperatures, sitting in the lower to mid 60s for much of the area, and then everywhere else more in central PA, sitting in those mid to upper 50s for their current temperatures. Looking at a radar and satellite recap, you can see we've had those clouds moving through the area these past few hours, and that's going to continuously expand out as well. And then you can see a much better look at that system that we've been tracking these past few days. This rain system is moving through the area, expecting to be making its way through the Midwest now, and is going to be making landfall into Pennsylvania later on this evening. Looking at our future weather, we have these cloudy conditions again right now. Continuing through the area, temperatures are going to be beginning to climb. Much of the state is going to be experiencing these low 60s for their high temperature today. And as you can see, it's starting to make landfall in the northwestern portion of the state later on this evening, and then continuing through overnight into tomorrow. And by tomorrow afternoon is when State College specifically is expected to be seeing it really make landfall. And you can see we have the very beginning of that rain system hitting us around 1:30 tomorrow afternoon. And then the real brunt of this system is going to be moving through later on Friday evening for State College. As you can see, much more of that rain is going to be coming through consistently. And then overnight into Friday, you can see that more bottom portion of it is going to be reaching the eastern portion of Pennsylvania later on overnight into tomorrow, or overnight into Saturday rather. And as you can see, we take a wider look, the system does go quite far south, actually hits the Virginia and Carolinas region actually as well. And to take a look at, again, that continues through hitting State College area tomorrow afternoon. And as we continue through that more lower and later portion of that system is going to be making its way through overnight into the eastern side of Pennsylvania. And we have a few scattered showers later on to Saturday as well. As we take a wider look, you can see those showers are going to continue, and then into Saturday afternoon and night, they're going to taking much more of a circular motion as that system kind of makes a circular motion around the state. And we have the second system kind of making its way through the southern portion of Pennsylvania and continuing through as well, and then overnight into Sunday. Sunday is going to be just experiencing a few more of these scattered showers as well. And by Sunday night, clear skies, a few clouds here and there, but then Monday and Tuesday are expected to be much clearer than we've been seeing these past few days. So clear conditions for Monday and Tuesday of next week. Looking at the rest of today, we're going to be reaching a high of 62 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions and some slight winds coming in from the south. Looking at tonight, those possible showers may be making its way through State College region, not too high of a chance, so just some cloudy skies, low of 50 degrees, and those winds picking up just a little bit around 10 miles per hour. And then looking at tomorrow, temperatures are going to be increasing just a little bit at 61 degrees with persistent showers moving through the area and winds coming in again around 6 to 10 miles per hour. And then for your football forecast, an Ohio State game this weekend, heavy clouds at the tailgates around 47 degrees, and those clouds are going to begin to decrease throughout the day as temperatures begin to increase throughout game time. So by the end of the game around fourth quarter, decreasing cloud coverage and temperatures at around 57 degrees. Looking at your 7-day forecast, you can see those rains are going to be moving through this weekend. As clouds begin to leave, ending of Sunday, beginning of the work week Monday, sun should be making its way to return with possible frost on Tuesday as temperatures begin to dip. Low temperatures specifically begin to dip into that freezing threshold around 32 degrees. And then heading into Wednesday, those clouds are making its way back into the area as temperatures begin to climb into the mid 60s. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Snyder. Have a great day.